We are now ready to analyze the data. We transfer the data of heart rate into Excel file. As we can see, we have two groups, placebo and propranolol. For each group, there are two sets of data. Data before and after taking medication. For each data set, we have hard data of before exercise, shortly after exercise, and after a 20-minute rest. In placebo group, we have three volunteers, Mr. SS, Mr. LT, and Mr. PJ. In propranolol group, we also have three volunteers, Mr. TA, Mr. SY, and Mr. WG. For the first step, count means value from three subjects for each parameter. Click the box, click function, insert the average function, select the data, and click Done. Copy the function from the first row and paste on the next row. Next, counting the change of heart rate before and after exercise. Count for placebo group. Write down the formula, put the data shortly after exercise, minus baseline. Count for propranolol group by repeating the same procedures. Counting the delta of heart rate before and after resting. Count for placebo group. Write down the formula, put the data shortly after exercise, minus data after a 20-minute rest. Count for propranolol group by repeating the same procedures. Making a graph for this data set by selecting the table. Click Insert and select Bar Chart. Change the number of decimal in the Y-axis. Click Format Axis, choose Number, change the number in the decimal places in 0. Make the font in Y-axis and X-axis look bigger. Comparing the heart rate data between placebo and propranolol. Comparing the data before and after taking medication. From the graph, we can see that before taking medicine, there is no noticeable difference in the change of heart rate before and after exercise, and the change of heart rate before and after resting between placebo and propranolol group. Conversely, after taking medicine, we can see that propranolol group shows lower value of the change of heart rate before and after exercise, and the change of heart rate before and after resting compared to control group. This is predominantly due to the fact that the subjects from propranolol group tend to have lower heart rate at shortly after exercise compared to control group. This indicates that propranolol can reduce tachycardia induced by exercise.